guys, hello, it's horror. It's Kissy Missy here. Ah! Oh, Nikki, let's start, Kissy, Missy, lady, and I will teach you how to sculpt that. This is plastiline, and just follow my tutorial if you have any question, or would you like to any character I show you how to sculpt, just leave a comment and I do the video for you. Alright guys? So just follow my tutorial and just be creative, guys. Well, we now nearly finishing sculpting the head, Kissy Missy, and now we're gonna start sculpting her body. So, as a body, you need to have a wire, as remember, guys. So now we're gonna start sculpting her body, and she's gonna be nearly finished. So you use any clay, but I'm using plastiline, as I said. So keep practicing. Have a question, leave a comment.
Kissy Missy, hello! Thank you for watching. Bye for now.